And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
I'm made for the day.
All right. Yeah.
This is Sea Lion leader Lexi Dropkin with this week's announcements. State testing continues all week long. Remember to try your best, show what you know, and help McGaw climb to the top. Fifth graders from Miss O'Brien's class are visiting the high school chemistry lab on Monday. Have fun learning about science. Fifth grade awards are on Monday. Congratulations! The Seal Beach lifeguards are giving a swim safety presentation to our third graders on Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. The district's Griff Friends event is happening on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Have fun on the field with Los Altos athletes. The fourth grade trip to Sacramento is happening on Friday. Be ready for your big trip to the capital. All students have a student-free day on Friday. Enjoy your day off while teachers are planning for next school year. Memorial Day is on Monday. There is no school. Enjoy your 4-day weekend. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
We got the wobble.
All right, put it in.
UTK.
Let's start things off by celebrating UTK student Selah Kitagwa. Mrs. Donner says that Selah found trash on the playground and took it to the trash can without being asked. Thanks so much, Selah.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Sizemore wants to celebrate kindergarten student Kennedy Bowden. She said that Kennedy was a super helpful friend and a wonderful teacher when she helped her friend with some math. Thanks so much, Kennedy.
First grade.
Mrs. Lupescu wants to celebrate first grader Andrew Beck Dismura. She said that Andrew had great behavior and was super helpful when there was a substitute teacher in the class. Thanks so much, Andrew.
Second grade.
Mrs. LaBounty wants to celebrate second grade student Delilah Lugo. She said that Delilah has been so delightful this entire year. She always lends a helping hand and works so hard. Way to go, Delilah.
Third grade.
Mrs. Anderson wants to celebrate third grader Milo Zermano. She said Milo was a great helper after PE was all over. She helped clean up the equipment. Thank you so much, Milo, for your help.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to celebrate fourth grader Imogen Bjorklund. She said that Imogen was asked to sing a solo in front of the whole class, and she did it. It takes a lot of courage to do that. Bravo, Imogen.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Mrs. Cruz wants to celebrate fifth grader Naz Haney. She said Naz was working very efficiently on his music project. Great work. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.